Hi, I'm Olga Ospina with your weather forecast and a big pattern change as we continue through this week. Cool and cloudy to start your Monday, and even a chance of some light rain as we head into late in the night, especially for some of our mountain areas. Dry by midweek with a little bit more sunshine, and then by the end of the week, especially by Friday, we're talking about some wet weather impacting us, some rain and even some snow in the mountains. Today, though, we're feeling that cool down, highs topping out in the mid 60s for the LA area, and really for most of us not getting out of the 60s, some upper 50s out through the IE. Windy conditions will also be the story today through late tonight into the early part of Tuesday for those mountains and deserts. Here's a look at rain chances. So again, as we head into late in the week, we're starting to see those rain chances increase a little bit lower on Saturday, but then by Sunday we could be seeing some rain once again. So it's going to be a cool weekend ahead as we start to see this system pushing through already by late Thursday, but really on Friday, that's going to be the best chance of getting some of that rain impacting us already by that Friday morning commute. Over the weekend, getting a bit of a break on Saturday, and then by Sunday, starting to move through once again. Here is a check of the 7-day forecast. Cool temperatures on the way as well. Most of us really not getting out of the 60s over the next 7 days. For the Inland Empire, we're looking at even some upper 50s by Thursday. So expect below average temperatures through the week with periods of winds and some very cool temperatures. Here's a look also at the mountains with a chance of snow as we head into late in the week.